Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to block a website on Google Chrome. So first, you want to open your browser and then search for Google Store, and then you want to open Chrome Web Store, and then on here you want to click that text box, and it says search the store, and you want to search for black site, then just wait, and then here you can see a lot of extensions. Okay, so here you want to click this second extension and then click add to Chrome and then add extension, and then just wait for it. And here you want to click skip. Then if you don't want a plan, just keep on clicking skip, and then here you want to click agree, and then here on this text where it says enter a web address, you want to put the URL of the website that you want to block. So for example, youtube.com, then you want to click add item, and then if you try to open youtube.com, so it says nice try, you put youtube.com in your block sites list. It's probably there for a reason. So if you want to unblock that website, you just want to click this bin icon on the right side of the website that you blocked. Okay, and then you want to search again, and then there you have it. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.